How to change Microsoft Store country, region, or language. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily change that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Microsoft Store. So search for Store on your um, Start menu. And once you have searched for Store, what you need to do is see which language is using. It's most probably using the default language of your system. There is no active option to change language explicitly for the Microsoft Store, but what you can do is change the language and region for your laptop settings or your PC settings. So just close this out, go to Settings menu, and once you get here, just open it up. On the left side of your screen, you'll be able to see different type of options. Go to Time and Language, go to Change Language and Region, and from here, you'll see a country and region that you can change, as well as your region format. So you change this. And if you want to change your preferred language, go to Add a Language, select any one of them. So let's just add this one. Click on Next, click on Install, and should be able to change the language to this. So if I just select this language and then click on Language option, I'm able to add a keyword to this as well. So you can just select that language to change it. Click on the drop down and you can change the display language. Once you have changed it, if you go back to your Microsoft Store, hit enter, and once you open up your store, your language should change right here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.